Google Ads maximize clicks or maximize conversions bid strategy. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Specifically, I'm going to cover the difference between the bid strategies and, importantly, what is the implication that it's going to have on your campaigns and performance for each of those bid strategies. And it has a really big implication. So let's go do this right now. Okay, welcome to the Teach Traffic YouTube channel. As I said, in this video, we're going to talk about the difference in maximize clicks and maximize conversions bid strategy. I'm going to show you right now where you're going to find this difference. So here I am in a live Google Ad account. I've gone to the settings and I've gone to the bidding section within the settings, and you'll see here maximize clicks and maximize conversions. If I hover over each of those, you'll see here it gives me a little bit of a definition. So it says set bids to help you get the most clicks within your budget, and maximize conversions is set bids to help you get the most conversions within your budget. Now remember, conversions are leads or whatever is success for your business. So generally speaking, my preference is to choose a maximize conversions bid strategy, because that is your way of telling Google, hey Google, I want to get as many leads as possible. Maximize clicks bid strategy is really just going to get you as many clicks as possible within the confines of your budget, whereas maximize conversions will hopefully give you as many leads as possible within the confines of your budget. There are some instances where I might consider running a maximize clicks bid strategy, and that's really for two possible reasons. The first might be for my brand campaign, because I want to get as much brand traffic as possible. Or if I know what my converting keywords are, I know what keywords work really well, I just want to get as much traffic as humanly possible for those keywords, then I might consider a maximize clicks bid strategy. But honestly, 9 times out of 10, I'm always going to choose a maximize conversions bid strategy, because it's focused on what is my objective, which is leads or sales or whatever is a conversion for your particular type of business. The two different bid strategies can have a really big impact on performance, mainly in the leads that it generates. If you choose maximize clicks, it can burn through a lot of budget, especially for untested keywords with little result. So that's why 9 times out of 10, choose maximize conversions, and hopefully you get really good results from it. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up icon, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.